Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Ireland. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing you should check that do you really need a visa? Because based on nationality, duration and purpose, or even based on other visas you may or may not have, you may not even need a visa. And in order to check all these and the details about how to follow the steps to get the visa, you should always check based on the information given at the official entity that governs your residential area. Because based on your residential area, there could be additional steps, fees, and anything like that. So let's say you are an Indian citizen living in New Delhi. So I have opened this website of Embassy of Ireland, India. Okay, so they have a section for visas. So visa for Ireland and like, sorry. Okay, so we are gonna go for like short stay visa. Okay, and we are going for how to apply. So the first step is to like we are going for short short stay tourist visa. Okay, very first thing is to create your online application. Then you need to print, sign, and we have to apply it through VFS. Like it's outsourced to VFS in India. Okay, so we'll go through their website too, and we'll go through that. Okay, so let's go through awards first. So we are gonna see how to fill this Irish short-term tourist visa application form online. Okay, continue. So the details are there. You should definitely read and understand and acknowledge. Now I'm putting all the information sample you need to do as per your own case. India is selected. What is the reason for travel? So let's say you are going for visit tourist. So short states C is selected. How many uh, journey type? Okay, I select single. On one occasion, okay. With entry type, purpose of travel, provided details, okay, as per your case. Passport type, alien, diplomatic, government, integrated, recognized, national passport. I just select national passport. And national passports are the normal passport issued to most citizens, okay. Passport number, do it as per your own case. Propose dates you wish to enter and exit. Now, remember the processing time and other things like the number of days you are allowed to stay. Okay, surname or name, I'll just say John. Date of birth, again as per your own case. Uh, that's quite inconvenient, but no problem. I can do it like this, but make sure it matches with your passport. Gender, country of birth, current location. This is very important. Current address, of course, you know your address. Contact phone. in email. Provide proper email. Don't do like this. 7. Continue. Length of residence in present country. Let's say you have stayed there for 25 years. Do you have permission to return to that country after you stay in Ireland? Yes. Are you exempt from the requirement to provide biometrics? I say no. Have you applied for an Irish visa before? I select no. And if you have done, definitely say yes. I mean, answer as per your case. Have you ever been issued with an Irish visa clearance before? I said no. Okay. Have you ever been refused an Irish visa clearance? I said no. Have you ever been in Ireland before? I select no. Do you have family members living in Ireland? I select no. Have you ever been refused permission to enter Ireland before? I select no. Have you ever been notified of deportation order to leave Ireland? I select no. Have you ever been refused a visa to another country? I select no. Have you ever been refused deported or stayed? I select no. Have you any criminal conviction in any country? I select no. 7. Continue. A. Issuing authority, country or organization. Okay. Issue date and expiry date. Uh, is this your first passport? If I select no, it will ask for previous passport too. But I'm assuming it's yes. Do it as per your own case. If you have previous, don't need to hide that. Are you currently employed in your country of residence? I select yes. Employer, number of year, let's say 3 years you have been working there. Position and 1 month. Yeah, why not? Position, I just say IT consultant. What is your work address? Of course, you know your work address, your office location, right? Who doesn't? And provide all this information that you have. Are you currently a student in your country of residence? I select no. Okay. Will you be traveling with any other person? For example, business colleague, family member? I select no. But if yes, definitely provide information. Contact host in Ireland. Okay, if you are applying for some visa to come to Ireland, less than any, we need to know where you'll be staying. It could be hotel, hostel. Okay. Is the contact on Ireland known to you? I select no. Provide the address. Like if you have already booked hotel, you know the address, right? Or Airbnb or whatever you have booked. Provide correct information. Personal status, I select single. Children details, how many dependent children you have? Select 0. Mhm. You have assistance in completing this application. I select no. Declaration. So here you have the details too. Okay. After you accept the declaration go, you can take a printout and sign. Okay. And that we need to take to VFS. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So now we'll go to VFS side for the next steps. Okay, guys, so I'm on this VFS side. Applying from, let's say, going to okay. So first you need to identify the visa type, begin your application, book an appointment, pay fee. Okay, so we'll start with that. Okay, we know this already. Okay, begin your application. So this also we have completed. Next is to book your appointment, and so that you can use the system to book an appointment, unless you must pay the fee. Okay, so 5,300 for single entry and 9,000 for multiple, and BFS service fee this also. Then based on your appointment, you need to visit the application center, submit your application, and from there you can start. Okay, so that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you uh, feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.